Working with legacy Corel Paradox database systems and have a DBQ memo file. This contains memo field data from a Paradox database table. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Corel Paradox memo data files. For those complex DBQ formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. DBQ files are memo data files used by Corel Paradox, a relational database management system. They store the actual content of Memo or BLOB, binary large object fields referenced by main DB database table files. Memo fields hold long text or binary data that exceeds the size limits of standard table columns in Paradox databases. DBQ memo files use the Paradox-specific binary format, storing variable length memo content with internal structure, organizing memo blocks by reference IDs from the main database table. The format includes block allocation tables, free space management, and memo content storage, following Paradox's database engine specifications for efficient memo data access. To gain full access to DBQ, the application needed is Corel Paradox from Corel Corporation. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows offers minimal visibility, so proper viewing requires compatible database tools. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the DBQ file and choose Open With. Use Corel Paradox as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If the DBQ file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent DBQ file error. First, opening in Corel Paradox. Install Corel Paradox if available from Legacy Installation Media or the Corel WordPerfect Office Suite. Launch Paradox and open the parent DB database table, which automatically references the corresponding DBQ memo file. Memo field contents display in the table view, providing access to the long text or binary data stored. Next, using database tools. Open Paradox databases including DBQ files using database tools like Microsoft Access with the Paradox ODBC driver installed. Access can import or link to Paradox tables exposing memo field contents through its query and form interface. This approach enables data extraction without requiring the original Paradox application installation. Finally, migrating to modern databases. Use Paradox or compatible tools to export the database, including memo data to standard formats like CSV, with memo content or modern database systems like SQLite, MySQL, or Microsoft SQL Server. This migration preserves your data in actively maintained database systems with broader tool support and ongoing functionality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.